Hi friends, this is ExcelGuru Rajnikant, and today I'm going to share a solution with you guys. And this is an interview question which is asked by Anand. Totally 25 questions are there. Already one question is completed. Remaining 24 questions are there. Daily I try to upload one or two because I have to complete all 25 questions as early as possible. For that reason, I'm trying to solve as early as possible. Before sharing the screen, I like to tell you that please like, share, and subscribe my channel as early as possible because and click on bell icon so that whenever I upload a new interview MNC company questions, you'll get a notification over there. Right now, here is the screen. See one thing I like to tell you one thing, guys. Before uh, taking or recording video, I'm not practicing anything. Directly, I'm doing. Okay. See here. Here, they did a logic over here. Here, the dates are in text format. If you do like this, it will not accept. See how they did. I'm unable to see. Everyone will say like, why don't you use date value? Okay, I'm using date value. Correct. It will show you value errors. Suppose if I do equal to this plus 0, then also value. Because here in month place there is 27, 23, about 12. For that reason it is not able to understand. So find the number of employees who have joined before 2015. Okay, here we can make it. See how I'll do. It's very simple. Write off whole thing, control backspace, comma, the year in 2 digits. Okay, it's enough for us. No need to take any more risk. It's enough for us. Right, 2 digits. It will pick up two characters from the right side. That is 13, 14, 17, like this. F9. Okay, without any spaces and without any special characters. Control Z. Now, what is less than 2015, right? So I'll use less than. I will not use direct 15. 15, direct 15 is a number, but here it is a text numbers. Observe, here is a text number. Directly, if you do 15, it will show you falses. Okay. So you have to convert this number as a text number by double code. Okay. Then it will understand that it's a text number. We are searching text number that is below 215. Okay. F9. Wherever it finds the true, wherever it finds the less than 2015 or something, it will show you the true and remaining are all falses. So convert this true and falses by using double negative mathematical operator. So it will convert this into true and falses F9. So simply use sum or sum product. So always I use sum product because it can handle array. In some cases, some product will also not help us to solve big arrays. In some cases, totally 8 are there, that is below 2015. Totally 8, 13, 12, 14. Okay. Now coming to